Bombay Stock Exchange, established on 9th July 1875, is the oldest stock exchange in India and Asia. Located in Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, BSE extends its reach to 417 cities across India. It is one of the two major stock exchanges in the Indian stock market alongside the National Stock Exchange. BSE has been instrumental in positioning India prominently in the international financial market. It received permanent recognition under the Bombay Stock Exchange Security Contract Regulation Act of 1956. Today, BSE is the ninth largest stock exchange globally by market capitalization, with around 5,000 companies listed on it. The first 5-year plan in India was implemented on July 9, 1951. These plans are introduced by the central government every 5 years to promote the economic and social development of the country. The chairman of the first plan was Jawaharlal Nehru, with Gulzari Lal Nanda as the vice chairman. The plan's motto was Development of Agriculture, and it aimed to address issues arising from the partition and the World War II. Its vision was to rebuild the nation after independence, laying the foundation for industrial and agricultural development and providing affordable healthcare and education. The plan targeted a GDP growth of 2.1%, but the country achieved a growth rate of 3.6%. The Planning Commission, established on 15th March 1950 under the chairmanship of Nehru, was responsible for formulating these plans, focusing on the country's overall development.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
In a groundbreaking medical achievement, the world's first open-heart surgery took place on July 9, 1893 in Chicago's southern part. The patient, James Cornish, has sustained a knife wound to his chest during a confrontation, damaging his heart. Dr. Daniel Hale Williamson, an innovative surgeon, performed the surgery at a time when such procedures were considered nearly impossible due to limited medical advancements. Dr. Williams successfully accessed Cornish's heart by making an incision near the ribs and performed the operation, which proved to be success. James Cornish survived for the next 20 years following the surgery and was discharged from the hospital 51 days later. On July 9, 2011, South Sudan emerged as the world's newest country following a referendum that marked its separation from Sudan. The division stemmed from decades of conflict between the predominantly Muslim North and Christian majority South. A peace agreement in 2005, known as Comprehensive Peace Agreement, paved the way for the referendum. With overwhelming support, South Sudan voted to become an independent nation in January 2011. It officially became the 193rd country with Juba as its capital. Argentina gained independence on July 9, 1816, after a war of independence against Spanish colonial rule. Previously occupied in 1776 due to abundant coal and silver resources, Argentina is South America's second largest country by both area and population, after Brazil. Its name, derived from Argentinum, means silver reflects its historical wealth. Buenos Aires serves as both its capital and largest city, with Spanish as the predominant language and a rich cultural heritage blending European, Latin American, and African influences.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.